Hey guys, welcome back to another interesting video of How to Guide. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix if your Instagram video uploading is stuck into the middle. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. In situations like this, whenever your video uploading stops in the middle, the first thing you have to do is to check your internet speed or connection. In order to do that, just simply open the site for fast.com and into there you can see your current speed of the internet. And if your internet's current speed is stable, then it's not the case of internet. And if your internet connection is not at the correct speed, then you should check your internet connection properly. And after checking the internet connection, the next thing you should check is your video file into your computer. Just simply open the video file into your computer, and if it's at the right condition, then it's not the case also. But if the video file got corrupted or cracked, then it might be the reason that video file got stuck at uploading. Download the video again or click the video again, or if you can't do that, in the third scenario, just simply cancel the current video uploading and start to upload the video from the very start for one more time. Then after this, your problem will successfully be solved. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.